Hi, what comes in your mind when you think about Balochistan? Maybe these Sardars. Yes? Or maybe these terrorists. Or maybe Taliban. Or usually you hear the news from Balochistan about fighting. Or maybe blast. But my friend, this story is very different. The Balochistan is very large, and you only know about some things that you only watch on media or read on newspapers. Let's have a look what kind of positive things Balochistan has.
Kalimullah Khan from Chaman became first Pakistani to play for a US football club. He was top scorer for his former club FC Dordoy in Kyrgyzstan last year. A striker for Pakistan's both national team and Balochistan United, Shahila became the first Pakistani female footballer to record a hat-trick in a foreign league. Rahila not only manages the Balochistan United Football Club in domestic events, but she has also been part of Pakistan national women football team for last 3 years. Farida Baloch received Hope Achievement Award from Mr. Bill Gates for her efforts to stop polio over the last 15 years, even after a loved one was killed and she was injured in an attack during the vaccination drive. Rahila Durrani elected as the first ever woman speaker of Balochistan Assembly. Abdullah, directed by Balochistan's Hashim Nadeem and starring Imran Abbas, Hamid Sheikh, Zidan Khan and Sadia Khan, was screened at the 68th Cannes Film Festival in France. Akhtar Chanal made it to Bollywood with his latest Afghan Jalebi. Muhammad Wasim, an emerging boxer from Quetta, won silver medal for Pakistan in Commonwealth Games. Balochistan University of Information Technology and Management Sciences is among country's leading universities in the category of technology by Higher Education Commission. And there are many other stories. Balochistan is not just a geographical area full of natural resources, it is full of diversity where people are full of potentials and talents. Yes, there are issues and life for common people is not as good as it should be. But we are not giving up. We will rise soon.